Today we're going to be doing a full body workout with an emphasis on the shoulder. Now what that means is we're going to be targeting that deltoid muscle. I've picked out 3 exercises to target the front, back, and middle of the deltoid muscle. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and hit that like button for me to let me know you want more of this type of content. We're going to start with a classic bench press. A lot of people don't realize the bench press is actually a anterior or front deltoid movement. So you can actually build up that front of that shoulder with this exercise. So from here, I'm going to push my chest out and then bend my elbows, bringing the hands wide. So trying to go all the way down, all the way up. Now we're gonna hit the posterior or rear deltoid in the back. So to do that, we need something that pulls that shoulder into extension. A supported row. The important part though, is to let that arm hang all the way down because you want to really feel that stretch in that shoulder. And that's what's gonna get you that extra bit of posterior deltoid, letting the dumbbell fully hang to the ground. So I'm stretching that shoulder and pulling up to the back. That high tension is what's gonna help grow that muscle. Now we're gonna be moving to an isolation movement. Targets primarily that deltoid, that middle deltoid. So we're gonna do a lateral raise using dumbbells. From here, you're gonna start with your hands right at your sides and you're going to lift up to shoulder height. Now, important thing, I wanna lift straight out to the sides, so only going as high as your shoulder. If you like these sort of workouts and wanna see more, I host these on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific time.